Hi everybody, Ahron, Africanmeat here. Welcome back to my channel. My idea was to do a plate that looks like a waterfall, like water around it and then streams going down into a well or into a dip. I done one. I think it came out more like a wheel than a waterfall plate. But it's nice. I used few techniques here. Again, jump chuck. I used a circular saw for the grooves. What else? Resin. So let me show you how I made it. Remember, safety first, mask, shield. Let me show you how I made it. Using the stepper on the lathe, the marker on the lathe, I just marked 24 lines for me to use later on the bend saw. You can see it on the bend saw. I didn't cut it all the way through, so I've been left with the base. As you can see, it will be easier to put the resin this way. It looks like I'm baking a cake. Hallelujah, cakey, cakey. Clear acrylic around it, and let's put some resin. I'm making a reverse chuck tenon to hold it and turn it around. This reverse chuck tenon I created off camera for some reason or another, and that one I done before even I started to put the resin. Ouch, that was hot, and I think it left a mark on my finger. I turned it around and I start polishing and sanding this the other side. Of course, again from 180 all the way to 600 with Yorkshire grit and then with Hampshire sheen. This time I'm using also microfine Yorkshire grit, especially because I'm using also resin. I found that I'm still getting some scratches, so I used a Nova 3.2 heavy scratch remover and light scratch remover, and that solves the problem. And then I used the Hampshire sheen. I checked if I've got any scratches left on the resin, especially in the middle, the center, and I'm happy. I'm creating a small jump chuck from pine that I'll use to mount the plate on. Small adjustments, and we almost, and now we're ready now. I'm using a livestock chuck adapter to hold my small chuck that holds my jump chuck, and this one will center the plate. And of course I'm putting painter's tape, like, so it will not damage the glue, won't damage the hot glue, won't damage the plate. This way it will sit in the center and it will not wobble, and I'm quite happy. Here I'm using a live stock with a nylon bush in the front, not to damage the plate. the same sandpaper, 180, 600, Yorkshire grit, and then Hampshire shrimp. I'm cutting a very thin groove on the joint, and with a piece of formica I'm burning a mark. Gives it a definition of the two lines. Creating a groove for my logo, my metal logo, my brass logo to fit in. If you need to glue it, super glue it. Now you'll see why I'm using painter's tape. The painter's tape stays on the jump chuck and it doesn't damage the plate. Hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you did, give me my thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers, have a great day.